We've had some patients express some real anxiety about not getting to cast their ballot. We had one patient say they were going to leave against medical advice so that they could vote in person tomorrow.
Making sure your voice is heard brought in a record number of early voters this election. But what if you physically cannot make it to the polls?
Well, News 5's Jesse Schultz found if you get COVID or you end up in the hospital before Election Day, there is still a way for you to cast your ballot.
If you find yourself in a hospital but planned on voting tomorrow, there is still time. Ohio law allows you to request an emergency absentee ballot until 3 p.m. on Election Day. And the Cleveland Clinic, University Hospitals, and Metro Health are all working with the Board of Elections to make the process easy and safe for everyone. Catherine Twitchell was excited to vote in this election.
Especially this year. You know, this year is important.
That's why when she was admitted to Metro Health to monitor stomach problems, she was nervous she wouldn't have that chance.
It was worrisome to me. I want to say in this vote.
But in response to COVID-19, Metro Health, in collaboration with the Board of Elections, made sure patients just like Twitchell will have their voices heard.
So our patients have the opportunity to request an emergency absentee ballot.
The Cleveland Clinic provides the same opportunity.
We have a team of people that have been trained and sworn in by the Board of Elections as special election officials who will go and help the patients complete their application and then can help with the ballot.
Typically, in previous years, Board of Elections officials would assist any patient who wants to vote, and they'd actually go into the hospital. This year, teams made up of bipartisan hospital staff members went through special Board of Elections training to assist patients. Board of Elections workers then pick the ballots up outside of the hospital.
Given some of our visitation restrictions and some of the risk with knowing what PPE to wear, especially with COVID patients, our team's better trained in that space.
For Cleveland Clinic patient Cheryl Walter, who is undergoing testing for seizures, it was a relief.
It is my right to vote. I didn't want to lose that, and I was going to do everything possible not to lose it.
If you're not sick enough to be in the hospital, but you still shouldn't be around people, there are some options for you. You can have someone drive you to your polling place, and then they can go inside and have your ballot be brought to your car. And if you have no one to take you, you can always call your Board of Elections. Reporting in Cleveland, Jesse Schultz, News 5.